Let's channel Elphaba. Juvias Place, the Culture 2. I'm gonna be honest, you guys. I don't know where this is heading. So we'll see. Small brush. No. We do not want to start off with, I know, typical, with a fluffy brush. So let's go with the chartreuse. Warba. Oh, interesting. It's picking up really yellow on camera. Let me try and change my... Oh my god, look at that, you guys. Cool lighting, warm lighting. Oh, that's terrible. Neutral. Okay, well, I guess we'll just stay here. This is definitely not beginner makeup. Okay. I am just adding, it was Warba and Festive. Now taking Festive, keeping it really close and tight. Taking this brush a little bit higher. I started really low to shape it out in my socket. And I'm lightly bringing and feathering it out. Now I'm gonna use that bright green, so Motherland. And I really just want to keep layering. Because I have a hooded shape, I really want to have a pronounced crease and then just very lightly feather it out. When I add colors, that is when I want my brush to be small because I'm really doing placement. Now that I have all of the shades that I know I'm gonna stay with, I like to do shimmers last. Now we take our blending brush. The creamier eyeshadows are, the more that they don't skip like this. Like the color should be all together. It shouldn't be sparse. But you do see that a lot in formulations with colors that are really intense. But really intense colors like this seem to be patchy. I'm going to be adding black. So taking a smaller brush. People are like, how does makeup take so long? The blend, darling. It's the blend. Let's go with Joss. Are you guys like seeing this insanity right now? Juvias Place. L'Oreal Infallible. Today we're literally just gonna wing it. Again, I'm hooded, so your girl needs a little lift. Ooh. We're getting somewhere. Didn't you know? I'm the Wicked Witch of the West. Oh, hey girl. No imitations here, Char. I worked for her. I love the brand and I support her brand so much. It is such a beautiful brand. She's such an incredible woman. Yes, product is really important for me, especially the way things wear, look on camera, off camera, how long, again, the wear, how long are they gonna stay on. All of these things really make a crucial decision for me to purchase makeup. And I just have to believe in the creator, and Charlotte is one of the absolute, all the brands that I use, I feel that way. I do not resonate with the energy of a brand. I just don't buy the brand, even if it's a really good one. Airbrush Flawless. This is the OG. Look at that coverage. If you want to look super duper perfect, she's your girl. I want to look in between. That's usually my vibe. I don't want to look like a mannequin. I want to look semi-sculpted. And I mean, honey, she still is a makeup artist after all. Is it giving Elphaba? I am a sucker for an ABH definer pencil, you guys. Bronzer. Get in that hairline, girl. The hype on this, I just wish it was waterproof. I have such watery under eyes. You guys, I forgot. You guys. Oh my god. Can you tell that it has just a hint of green? Oh, Mac, you still got it. Well, there you have it. Our very glamorous, creative, crazy Elphaba makeup. Stay tuned. I will be filming Galinda. Okay, see you soon. Mwah.